klassieke musiek in Suid-Afrika is maar 'n randverskyning wat in die pers en ook in die waarneming van jou gemiddelde Suid-Afrikaner 'n klein rol speel, ongelukkig. En omdat ek so groot deel van my werk in Europa doen, het ek ook baie keer die gevoel dat in Suid-Afrika die werk wat 'n mens doen en miskien ook die prestasies wat 'n mens behaal glad nie waargeneem word nie. En as jy dan so 'n toekenning ontvang, dan is dit regtig 'n warm gevoel om jou hart. I made a turn at the conservatory and I had to have an interview with the then head of the conservatory, and he said, well, you know, you cannot come and study singing with Professor Werner Nel if you can only hum my Sari Mare. And a couple of years later, when I won the international singing competition in Pretoria, he said, well, now I know that you can do more than just sing or hum Sari Mare. And that was a moment that really sticked. When I started studying singing with Professor Werner Nel, all of a sudden I discovered that there is a world in which one can communicate through music with such tremendous power. The building blocks of what I had to learn to eventually have a career in Europe, first as a singer and then as a director, all of that I got at this university. And it's not about the full encompassing training that you get. It's about the attitude of being open to new ideas, the wish to learn and to just be interested in what's out there.